here's a tip for people that have a stiff neck and notice that one of their shoulders is being held higher. And if you look in the mirror and you see one shoulder being higher than the other, you feel like you have stiff muscles that do not want to relax themselves. Hi, I'm John Fiege, physical therapist at IPT Palm Valley. And here's that tip that doesn't require any stretching. Let's say this is my tighter side and this side is a little higher. It's a bit of a retraining exercise. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slowly raise my shoulder. My hands stay relaxed in my lap until it's at the highest point that it will go. There I'm just going to hang out. It's going to be a 30-second stretch, or I shouldn't say stretch, it should be a 30-second hold. Okay, we're going to hold it and hold it, fatigue the muscle a little bit. We're going to know really well what is high in the shoulder girdle, and then we're going to find out what is low. So let's say we've done 30 seconds by now. We're slowly taking 5-6 seconds, bring our shoulder down all the way. Keep on bringing it down. And find out if the shoulder wants to go lower than before. Just let it go. Let that shoulder go more. Let it go more until it's rock bottom. If you check again in the mirror, 100% of the time you should notice that shoulder is lower than before. So then you feel free to do it on the other side as well. This will work well for you if you're spending a lot of time behind the computer and you're noticing that you get tight as time goes on and more time is spent using your hands in front of you. But this would be a good way to reset that and have some ease of those tight muscles. Hope that helps. If you need more help, we're always ready to assist you. Just give us a call and we'll get you